To use the dual camera recording mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or the Samsung Galaxy S26, the first thing you want to do is to add it to your device. So you want to go ahead and open up your camera. Now make sure you're actually in the video mode, and then you want to tap on this three dot icon on the bottom right. Scroll through this navigation bar until you get to the settings icon on the left hand side over here. Tap on the settings or gear icon. And now from the settings, you want to locate the camera assistant option. Go ahead and tap on this download icon on the right hand side over here. Tap on install. Also make sure you have your Samsung account, because this is actually downloading from the Galaxy store. You want to go ahead and just open up the camera assistant, then scroll downwards, and then make sure that dual record option over here is turned on. So I'll go ahead and toggle this on. Once dual record is enabled, you can now go back to your camera application, tap on the more option at the bottom over here, and then select on dual record. And at this point, you can see that we now have dual camera recording enabled. You can go ahead and tap on the select lenses option over here to select the lenses you want to use. You can see all of the options we have over here. We have the front facing camera, the ultra wide, the wide, and the telephoto. I'll go ahead and select on the front facing camera. You can see the option is already selected, and then just tap on OK and you're good to go. Now from over here, you can actually do a couple of things. So you can go ahead and adjust the position of the front facing camera. You can also increase it if you want. So you can tap on this wide camera icon over here and it actually increases. You can as well go ahead and reduce it by tapping on it again. Another thing you can do is to actually interchange both cameras. So you can swipe like so, and now we have the rear camera over here and then the front facing camera over here. And if you do that again, it should also interchange both cameras as well. And before you start your recording, you can also tap on this four dot icon over here to get more options. So you can actually choose or change the layout of both cameras. You can tap on this to change the layout to this, or tap on it again to change the layout to the default layout. You can also choose to save both videos separately by just tapping on this save separately options over here. But if you do not want that, make sure you tap on the save separately options to get back to the previous option. And now if you record your videos, once you're done, you can just tap on the stop button, go back over here, and you can see that this works absolutely well. Please let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.